It is our favorite month of the year, finally.
It's October.
It's October, and we've not had a storm. Fall. There's not been a storm this year, so the colors are going to be amazing.
And we are home on Cape Breton Island, and we are not leaving because there's so much to see and do in the month of October, and we have the next roughly week and a half to explore, and the colors are kind of at their prime. So what's today's date?
It's the 12th?
12th
day, yeah.
It's the 12th of October today.
Right now we're in Marguerite, and I would say like they're peak colors right now on the 12th, so it's looking amazing.
And then after this we're headed to North River, so hopefully usually around like the rivers and stuff like Marguerite River and North River sometimes change first, and then the rest of the Highlands follow suit. This is where we stayed last night. We stayed at the Normaway Inn in one of the green cabins, I think it's called. So you can do like a room in the inn, or you can rent one of the white cabins or one of these, so come see. We stayed here last night and it was too late by the time we got here to do a room tour, so we'll give you one now. They are dog friendly. The dogs are with us. Well, some of the cabins are dog friendly, and the one that we selected was. So this is like your little sitting porch area when you walk in. I love this. It's so nice. And they have a fridge here and a little dining area over here, and a bench filled with firewood because, come on in, there's a wood stove! You don't even know how many messages we get from people being like, what are a cozy place we should stay with wood stove? And we can only recommend as much as we have actually done ourselves, so I'm excited to recommend this spot now. Look at this huge bed. I don't even know, is this a king?
I think it's a king.
Bigger than a king?
It's a big king. And it is very comfortable.
It's super comfortable. You got two lamps over there, a little quilt above. Over this way, jacuzzi tub. Apparently they have ones with jacuzzis and one without. Another beautiful chair. It'll probably be too exposed out the window, but out that window view is a bunch of trees that are all changed color. And then our bathroom in here. Just a cute little bathroom. So yeah, we just stayed Normaway Inn. You can look them up. I think that they are seasonal though, but they're also very famous for their Red Barn and the Red Barn concerts. So they have like the Three Fiddlers concerts and just a lot of music happening in the Marguerite area and a lot here at the Normaway.
Working with the doggos. Go lie down, Toby.
Come here. Do you want?
Oh no, Indy wants to lie there now. Switch it up. No?
No? No, that's Indy's bed. Come on, Toby. Right here. Sit. Indy, lie down. I love it here. So pretty. I don't want to leave. We didn't want to leave our cabin because it was so cozy. But there's too many adventures to be had.
This is a really good spot you should stop at if you're driving around the Cabot Trail. This is Lake Olaw Provincial Park, and we got a Ford Bronco for the next week. Ford was just like, here's the keys, you can have it for the week. They're not paying us, so we can say whatever we want about it, but I actually kind of like it. What's your thoughts on the Bronco?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah, drives like a truck.
It's pretty good off-road.
Pretty nice. And it's like big, and it's the Bronco Sport, so doesn't that mean it's like smaller than a regular Bronco?
Yeah, there's a bigger one.
Yeah, there's a bigger one even. But this one's really big too, so it's really nice. It was nice that we were able to speed down some, not speed, but like actually take a dirt road at a regular speed instead of having to be so cautious over stuff.
First hike of the trip is going to be Bald Mountain. We've never done it before. We've heard it's about 4 hours, but we've been kind of stopping everywhere all day, so we might be coming out in the dark. We're not really sure what to expect, but if you don't have one of these, get one. I don't know why they gave us a white one.
I take it as they want it to get dirty.
They want it to get dirty. Yeah. We bought a bunch of hand pies, frozen hand pies from the hand pie company in BI. Lifesavers.
I mean, we just baked them the other day though. We bought them frozen.
We just heard a gunshot, so I'll be safe now. It's moose hunting time, so we might see some, hopefully. Do it again, Toby. No, 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 no. Toby likes to sit down in the puddle and drink her water. Toby doesn't want to do it. Go, Toby. See ya. Oh!
I want her energy.
Big bear print. Put your foot there. I think we're here. How do you still have energy? I can't believe we've never been here before. Took us about 2 hours to get up. And it's beautiful. No wind. Gonna be a crazy sunset. 10 out of 10. Whoa. That's high up. Alright, 2 hours to get back down in the dark. Are you ready?
I was born ready.
Born ready.
Except I actually forgot my headlamp. It's in the bag in the front pocket. I need to put it on. Look!
Right there.
Oh my gosh, you stepped on it.
It's right.
Look! Look!
Look, man.
Look! Right there, look!
How could you not see
Look,
it?
right here.
Tell me, look, it's jumping.
It's jumping. Oh, there we go. Oh, no.
Still not seeing it.
Right here. Look.
Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go.
Oh, don't kill it.
And we made it back. 5 hours.
5 hours?
5:02, yeah.
Damn.
So we're an hour slower. But we take photos and stuff. Checking in.
Nice.
Woo! This is our Airbnb for the night. Next 2 nights.
Nice.
Wow, full kitchen.
Full kitchen. I don't know why I'm taking off my boots.
It's just an Airbnb, so
You can book it too?
you can book it too. We'll put the address on the screen,
Or
I
the
guess.
the
The link.
Airbnb link in the description,
I don't
probably. What room do you want? I get 1 room, you get 1 room?
Stop turning the lights off.
Oh, sorry. It's chilly, man.
Cool.
This is perfect. I can't remember how much it was, but it was super affordable, right on the Cabot Trail, dog friendly, 2-bedroom.
Okay. Wanna try a fur tip? Nope.